Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg, or at least a very enthusiastic amateur. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720. Affectionately known as the HS720. And on the right, we have the RADCLO Mini Drone, or as we like to call it, the RADCLO. First up, let's talk about the thing that always makes us sweat a little. Price. The HS720 comes in at a cool $249. Yep, that's right. It'll cost you almost as much as a weekend getaway. Meanwhile, the RADCLO is priced at a much more wallet-friendly $62. That's like, what, the price of a fancy dinner for two? So if you're looking to save some serious cash, the RADCLO's already got your attention. But hold your horses, because there's a lot more to consider. All right, camera nerds, this one's for you. The HS720 boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a mini Michael Bay in your pocket. Meanwhile, the RADCLO offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. So if you're planning on capturing every pore on your dog's face, the HS720 is your go-to. But if you're just looking to get some great shots without breaking the bank, the RADCLO's got your back. Reviewers of the HS720 were particularly impressed with the camera quality, while RADCLO users found the 1080p camera sufficient for casual fun. Next up, battery life. The HS720 comes with two intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough to watch an entire episode of your favorite show. The RADCLO, on the other hand, offers 22 minutes with its two 800 mAh batteries. So it's like the quickie of drone flights. Short but sweet. Reviewers of the HS720 appreciated the long flight time, while RADCLO users noted the shorter duration but enjoyed the quick charging time. Now, let's get into the bells and whistles. The HS720 is loaded with GPS-assisted intelligent flight features, like auto-return, follow me, and custom flight paths. Basically, it's like having a personal drone butler. The RADCLO may not have the GPS perks, but it's got a ton of fun features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, and gesture control. It's like the party drone you bring to impress your friends. Reviewers praised the HS720 for its advanced GPS features, while RADCLO users loved its fun and engaging modes. When it comes to ease of use, the HS720 offers bird's eye sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning. It's like the drone equivalent of having training wheels. The RADCLO is also beginner-friendly with one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. But let's be real, you'll probably crash it a few times before you get the hang of it. It's all part of the fun, right? Reviewers found the HS720 easy to control and stable, while RADCLO users noted its simplicity but also mentioned the learning curve. Summarizing the reviews, the Holy Stone HS720 is praised for its advanced features, stability, and camera quality, making it a great choice for more serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone is appreciated for its affordability, durability, and fun features, making it an excellent option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone and don't mind splurging, the HS720 is your guy. But if you want a budget-friendly, fun drone that's easy to use, the RADCLO is a fantastic choice. Remember, no matter which one you pick, the most important thing is to have fun and not crash into your neighbor's window. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Also, let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, stay smart and fly safe.